punches.
All right, people. This is a crazy time we were living in. If you guys have been on the channel for a while, you probably remember, I don't know, it feels like 10 years ago, I came to this Quaker steak and lube spot to watch a stunt show by Mr. Jesse Toler. And I had no stunt experience. I think I just had a stunt bike that I built myself, and it was just a pile of junk. So now, fast forward 10 years, the good old Quaker Steak and Lube's closing down. So this is the last day that they're having an event, being open, anything. And on top of that, Jesse Toler is doing this stunt show. I kind of snuck my way into it. And he's gonna get his stoppy bike that's hanging up from the ceiling back. So slippery! Yeah, the pavement's like real gravelly too, so can't get too crazy.
Start over here with the young buck coming out of Florida. Been riding a few years. Mr. Dankwheelie, make the noise for Dankwheelie.
Yeah.
On the left here we have the lovely Charms, originally from Tampa, coming from Huntsville, Tennessee. She's on her Ninja 400. Make some noise for the Little Bike Gang. And then right here in the middle, the man, the myth, the legend himself, the man who set those 2 Guinness World Records back in 2012, Tampa's own Mr. Jesse Toler.
Yeah.
There you go, guys. The one, the only. He's out here going to do some wheel standards, some stoppies for you. You guys ready? Got this show on the way. Let's go. Make some noise for me.
I don't really know the game plan here. I'm just kind of freeballing it. Oh my God. Motherfucker. Alright, we're back for stunt show number 2. There was 3 stunt shows today. I did the first one. My tire turned out like that. So I wanted to finish strong and do this last show.
They say where you get that swag
This isn't my bike! Killed it! I don't know how to shut it off! Yeah, I seen that, I felt it!
As we are the last order ever coming out of Quaker. I think that's inside there. Probably wondering why Jesse's riding a scissor lift into a restaurant. He's getting his bike out. It's hanging from the ceiling.